The human dynamic is that where there is no consent and no agreement, there will be fighting. And I see that across several different disciplines in my practice. In the area of guardianship, we often see siblings fighting over their parent, or a step-parent and an adult child fighting over the care and custody and the money of the alleged incapacitated person. In the divorce and family law context, we see husbands and wives, mothers and fathers, parents fighting over minor children and money. But how do we figure out the path to resolution and to peace? Well, what we do is we try and assess the situation calmly and rationally and find several points of agreement. And when we have the agreement, we build on that. So siblings, parents, all have a love for the person in question. It's the first point. And what would be in the best interest of that person? Would it be to exclude and diminish one parent? Or would it be to have an inclusive, shared environment? So we start there. And then we use that as the bedrock. And once we have one small agreement, we expand it. And once we have that expansion, we expand it further. And it needs to be in writing. Why? Because that's your default position. So visits are on this time, on this day, from this period of time to that period of time, right? 12 to 5, or 7 p.m. till 2 days later, 7 p.m., something like that. That's a minimum amount of time. That's your bedrock, that's your foundation, and then it can always be expanded. And then we build in situations where there's information provided and shared, maybe the use of an app or a certain designated email to have a free flow of information. So calmly and rationally assess the situation and find even the smallest point of agreement and build from there.